everybody, and welcome back to the Offbeat Gardener. I'm gardening in Zone 7A. Today we're going to do a bit of a harvest because if you can see over here, over there, over here, there's a bunch of stuff that needs to be harvested. Everything's starting to change colors and get beautiful. So sit back and relax and enjoy the harvest with me. I do have my basket here. I have some water with some electrolytes in it to make sure I stay hydrated. And here we go. Didn't mean to do that. These morita peppers look a lot like jalapenos, so I'm just gonna throw them in this little container so I know that they're not jalapenos. My guajillo peppers still need a few more days, but you can see they're starting to blush and change color. So when these are red, I'm gonna pick them. You can see over there, there's a whole bunch on here. I've harvested several tomatillos and there's still a whole bunch that are not ready yet, but there's one right there. I don't know how I'm gonna get it because if you can see, this is a jungly mess. So I'm gonna be like Indiana Jones and try to figure out my way through this jungle to get to that one tomatillo. Oh, shoot. Mission accomplished. Just like the guajillo peppers, the poblanos, anchos, whatever, these are starting to blush. You can see that a lot of them are. So once these turn red, I'm gonna harvest them. There's some more in here. And some of them I'm gonna harvest green so that I can use them in recipes like salsa verde. There aren't a ton of tomatoes to harvest because I've been harvesting for the last, I would say the last couple of weeks of July. Like all of them ripened at the same time, both the cherry and the slicers. So I just have a few things to pick here. You can see it's not too much, but they're still going strong even though they look sickly. And I'm just gonna harvest what I can, but you can see we still have fruit that's set all over the place. There's fruit coming up here, tons of blossom still. You can see over there, right in the middle of your screen. So we're not done with tomatoes. Tomato season is not over. Despite the raggedy, how this ended up here, I don't know. But, I mean, all right. Despite the raggedy looking nature of my tomato plants right now, they're still producing. So hopefully that's a little bit of encouragement for you. So let's go pick those tomatoes. I accidentally messed this one up while I was picking it, so that's going to be a little snack. Just a heads up, when you pick these, once they ripen and become yellow, they fall off the plant really easily. So just be mindful of that when you're picking them, to kind of pick them from underneath so that they fall into your hand. You see what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. That's a little baby. This one doesn't look good, but it needs to come off the plant. It's times like this that I wish I had chickens. Isn't that a pretty basket? It's so colorful and beautiful. Look at all the colors in this basket. I mean, is that not just wonderful to look at? There's still plenty that is yet to be harvested, but I'm gonna let those things change color because, like for the jalapenos, I'm looking for those to change color so that I can make my fancy pants colorful pickled jalapenos and preserve those up. And there's still a lot that has yet to finish growing. Thank you for harvesting with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments below what kind of stuff you're harvesting out of your garden right now. It looks like this time of year for me is pepper season. So I had tomato season about 2-3 weeks ago. It started and it kind of wrapped up about a week ago. And now I'm in full-blown pepper season. So let me know how your gardens are doing. I'd love to hear from you. And until then, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. There was a mosquito on my hand. Bye.